Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Alright, on today's video we have the Vont Car light strip. This car light strip is one of those LEDs that you throw inside of your car. We actually have 4 of them. They connect to your cigarette lighter and they give your car some really cool flashy effects. So, Vont went ahead and sent that to me and they want me to install this and tell me what I think. And I will do just that. So we're going to go ahead and install this. So you'll put 2 of the LEDs underneath your dash and the other 2 will go underneath your passenger seats. And then you'll connect it to your cigarette lighter. And you have a switch here as well, a little on and off switch, which is cool. So you can turn it on or off. Then you have a nice little 3M tape there. Then you have your power on and off switch, your light adjusting switch, and one switch that allows it to dance or flash to music, which is pretty cool. And it actually worked quite well. It detects the music and kind of flashes. So I'm not going to lie, I have wanted one of these for a while now. I just haven't purchased one. So now that Vont sent me this, I'm definitely excited to give it a try. As for quality, the LEDs look really good. Quality feels great. You got nice 3M stickers, so these should not fall off as long as you attach them to plastic. And like I said before, you have 4 of these, 2 under your dash, 1 for the passenger and driver side dash, the other for the passenger and driver side seat. Alright, let's get on over to the car and get this installed. Alright, so I'm going to be installing this on my Tesla Model Y. Like I said, driver side, passenger side, and the 2 back seats. Now you definitely want to find some plastic. Make sure you get some rubbing alcohol and a rag to clean before you install. Alright, so I'm just rubbing a little bit of alcohol on a rag where I'm going to install. And I'm just kind of freehanding this. You can be a little bit more accurate, but I don't really mind. So I'm just going to stick that where I think it'd be really cool. And you can go anywhere where there's plastic. So you can go a little farther down, higher up. And then just make sure to try to tuck the wires in if you care about that type of thing, which I do. You want it to be very neat. Alright, then right on this side, you go ahead and plug in and tuck the wires just like so. Alright, now I'm coming on to the back. And same thing, just going to attach it. Now, I had no plastic underneath the seat. I did want these completely underneath the seat, but I had no plastic under there. So I put them on the back facing the feet, which it should be okay there. Shouldn't be too bright. Alright, now that they're all in, go ahead and plug it into the cigarette lighter. And we'll take a look at how they look in the daytime, and then we'll do a nighttime shot as well. So toggle on the switch there. You'll see it turns red. And then turn on the power switch. And then you can start toggling different colors or have it flash to the beat of music. Okay, that's how they look in the daytime. And they're actually still pretty bright in the daytime. You've got a multitude of colors, which is great. Looks really good. And I'll get those wires tucked in later. You want it to be very nice and neat. Now, this is the night shot. Take a look at that. It looks really good on the white seats. And if you can find a place to put them underneath, that would be great. But like I said, I couldn't. I didn't have any plastic under there. But I'm actually really happy with these. So, not too bad at all. Looks really good. Now I can't play the music or I'll get a copyright strike, but that is how the LEDs dance to the music. I do have music playing on the Tesla and it looks and sounds great. Alright you guys, and with that said, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.